Jai Jinendra, respected members of the board on the dais, and all brothers and sisters from Pan India of GTONs. I'm representing Goregaon chapter. The Goregaon chapter's vicinity is from Jogeshwari to Dahisar. I would like to start my presentation. Sir, with your permission, I will finish it in 6 minutes, granted. Thank you. रिक्वेस्ट टोन में था सर और आग से आग मिल गई थी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वेल, जीटो गोरेगांव चैप्टर, जीटो गोरेगांव चैप्टर is we have highlighted in 2013 3 different aspects of our Jito motto, that was Seva, Knowledge and Economic Empowerment. Under the tenements of Seva, we started a get-together initiative on August 8, 2013 by organizing Play Bhamasha, and we achieved an excellent result in the same. We were able to, with the leadership of our secretary during that time, Dr. Vinay Jain, and his meticulous planning and his inspiring to each and every member to contribute to the maximum, utilizing their own resources, we had a footfall of 1200 people. 1200 people, the capacity of the hall was 972, and we had 1200 people attending and there's a slideshow going down there of the same program, where you can see not a single seat, it was completely occupied, and we had people standing at the corridors and watching the play Bhamasha, which was a really true tribute from our side and our Dr. Bipin Gandhi to take us and inspire us to share it all along with our members of that area. The second program that we do after is Student Success Workshop, which we did in the month of August 28. And in this, we had 2 eminent speakers from our Jito Goregaon chapter. Dr. Hitesh Wakharia.
You know, there are certain students, we are always ready for being ready. We want to get something, but we don't. Now be specific. The first thing, and when why we are telling over here and why we have called you all. The reason for that, Shivaji Maharaj became Shivaji Maharaj not at the age of 32. It became Shivaji Maharaj at the age of 13, at the age of 14. He was called as Bar Raje. The reason for that, the qualities which is required to be great in life has to be inculcated at this age. And that is why we have called you. We would like to ignite the spark so that you are set on fire. The first category of people who want to make things happen. The second category of students who look at what has happened. Ramesh, acha. He is very successful, merit mein aaiye hua, very good. They keep looking at what has happened. And the third type of people, the third category of students, they always wonder how it happened. वो मेरिट का है, जरूर उसका वो सेटिंग होगा. Throughout their life, they keep wondering कि वो कैसे आ गया. The first category of people who want to make things happen. The second type of people who look at what has happened. And the third type of people who wonder how it happened. And I'm so happy today that today I am addressing a group of students who belong to the first category of students.
This was Dr. Vinay Jain, our earlier secretary of the Goregaon chapter.
Unlimited. Goregaon chapter द्वारा उठाया गया एक बहुत ही सराहनीय.
This program, which earlier you saw the clipping, was for the students meant for standard 8 to 12th, and the name of the program was Student Success Workshop. In this workshop, they were guided the methodology, what is essential and required to be implemented for achieving success in your life. I hope you all audible was a little bit. I don't know whether it was audible to you. My apologies if it's not fine.
प्रयास है जिसमें सभी जैनों को.
This is the third initiative, Opportunities Unlimited, the networking forum which we run. Until far we have done 30 programs for the same. In the March it will conclude for 32 programs.
इंटरैक्ट कराना और उन्हें बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्रोवाइड करना, और साथ ही साथ सभी जैन बिजनेसमैन को इस अपॉर्चुनिटीज अनलिमिटेड फोरम द्वारा एजुकेशन भी दिया जाता है. आज हमारे कई जैन बिजनेसमैन ऐसे हैं जिन्हें किसी भी प्रकार की मैनेजमेंट एजुकेशन प्राप्त नहीं हुई है. तो अच्छे मैनेजमेंट एक्सपर्ट्स को इनवाइट करके हम हमारे जैन बिजनेसमैन को और एम्पावर करना चाह रहे हैं. तो ये एक बहुत ही सराहनीय प्रयास, सराहनीय कदम, एक बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट गोरेगांव चैप्टर ने लिया है, जिसके लिए इस इनिशिएटिव के सभी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स अभिनंदन के पात्र हैं।
Expectations to the future of the Opportunities Unlimited.
Well, Opportunities Unlimited, we see a very bright future. We want to make our community stronger. So this is our endowment to see to it that we all come closer, know each another, know more about your businesses, each other's businesses, change our referrals and try to create a maximum business out of the referrals from our own each other resources and contacts. So basically this is an economic empowerment movement. Along with it there are byproducts like we can try to accommodate our Jain Sadharmik into getting more employment in the establishments of our industrialists, our trading and business communities. The main aim of our Opportunities Unlimited program, the deliverables are forming business referral forum to increase networking within Jain businessmen, industrialists and professionals through frequent meets, empowerment entrepreneurs by arranging trainings on business management from mentors, coaches and successful businessmen and industrialists, help Jain fellow members to increase their business of fellow members by passing referrals without any expectation of rewards. This we are going to make it a mission, though it's a hard road to track. Creating trust sharing of referrals resulting in turning contacts into contracts. I hope I was a little bit fast, but time is constrained. Please apologize. I apologize, sorry. Bear with me. So the aim is we do 2 programs in a month, second and fourth Saturday, morning time 8:30 to 10:30 at Goregaon Sports Club, and we follow a very defined and structured curriculum and a structured pattern. We take 1 minute presentation, 10 minutes presentation, and we have coaches or mentors who come and give 45 minutes session to us. We had various good speakers like Dr. Radhakrishna Pillai of Corporate Chanakya, Mr. Rajesh Agnello Athaide of St. Angelo Computers, speaking and guiding us for opportunities of tomorrow. And we had a very new entrepreneur, Mr. Kunal Shah, just age would be 35, and he gave us the insights on future of e-commerce, and he runs a company freecharge.in. The valuation of the company is 220 crores in just span of 3 years. And of course we were privileged even to get to push our product more further. A very good concept given by our CEO, Mr. Ajay Jain. He also had come once and given a session where he gave us a concept of buddy, and that really helped us to escalate our commitment and our presence of attendance. I got various reviews that attendance would be a very crucial thing for you. We are currently 84 members in the group, and we get attendance of 60 members every Saturday. The 60 members which are coming every Saturday is a achievement which we think, because I have while discussion we were been told bahut hua hai aur bahut band hua hai, but I'm proud to say we are finishing first year, and the second year enrollment, the checks in hand for renewal of membership is already 40 plus with us. And today we are on the same note going to give I'm very happy and thankful to Zonal team and Jito Apex for giving an opportunity for launching our coupon, promotional discount coupon. So I'm sharing this right away because many members will be moving out today and not attending the evening show. So this is a coupon booklet which we have printed for all our members. The members who are this Opportunity Unlimited members, and this compromises of their services, products, display along with 4-color ad page, and giving discounts on each page. What discount they would follow when the person goes along with this booklet. The booklet has to be taken whenever the purchases are going to be made by the buyer from the service providers. And this particular thing, we have various segments, like we have faculty from export-import management workshops, we have designers, architects, then we have various trading and industrial product-based companies to market their product. So today we would be sharing 100 booklets each to the Bombay Zone chapter today, because the time was constrained and I only have 1,000 books in hand with me. So today we will be giving 100 booklets to each chapter of Mumbai Zone, and my earnest request for your secretary of the each chapter to kindly see to it that you circulate as fast as possible. We have taken precaution that all the members have given the validity of the coupon for 6 months, and it can also be extended provided the buyer goes after 6 months with the whole booklet to those counters. And speaking about our commitment for, we are currently 7 FCPs and 54 were the earlier figure. 2 patron members were joined in our session. So our current strength is 56 patrons. And my commitment after having a discussion with Hitesh Bhai Doshi, the vice chairman of our group today in the morning, we will see to it that we go achieve a target of 108 patron members, including those we are existing ones, and 27 number from 7 to 27 for the FCB number. Thank you. The other things which I would like to just share what projects which we are going to do. The projects which we have lined up is on 23rd February. We are having a Jito Foundation Day celebration from the Goregaon chapter at Terapanth Hall Bhavan in Kandivali. And on the same day, we are facilitating 2 important aspects which we have identified. One is sports and one is humanitarian aid. In sports segment, we are honoring and facilitating and doing a little bit of our contribution to her endeavor of parting a check of rupees 25,000 from Jito Goregaon chapter. The lady name is Dr. Khyati Vakharia. She is a national pole vault champion of India. And she has aspirations to go and compete, and her target is bagging gold medal in Icheon 2014 Olympics, if I'm not wrong. The second aid which we are going to do is to Vallabh Das Dagra Society of Mentally Challenged 30 years organization dedicated to dedicated for giving rehabilitation and humanitarian aid to the mentally challenged small children or middle-aged persons, and trying to rehabilitate as many as from imparting them the smaller daily product-based things which they can do and have a living of their own. So these are the 2 things, and I would appreciate if all the secretaries of Mumbai zone along with their chairman, and we would be specially sending the invite to Apex team to kindly grace the occasion and do honors to Goregaon chapter. On a similar note, if I have a minute more to do, I would only like to share why Khyati Vakharia has been come to us. This is just a note to share. I had attended Bangalore Connect the 1 year before a program where they had given a display of 1 minute and 10-minute presentation, and my email ID was there. So I received an email just a month back from Mr. Om Jain. I do not know the person. I do not know anyone else. I do not know Khyati Vakharia. Om Jain was a person who had sent me a recommended, because he shared a pool of emails to all of the contacts which he might be having, and I was lucky to be one in there. And we received that email, and the same day I sent the email across to my 84 members in Opportunities Unlimited to see if anyone has a connect of Vakharia knows this lady from Bangalore. But we were not getting any contact established. But then we took it I took it in our committee meeting, and I was been backed by Hitesh Bhai Doshi, and we were happy that they gave a green signal for contributing 25,000 from our So this is a network which from Bangalore I was not knowing Mr. Jain, and it came and it has culminated into a noble cause. So thank you.